channel. No! No!
What is up, YouTube? It's Bri Hall here, back with another video. So, a lot of you guys have been asking about this style on Instagram that I'm wearing right now. Is it a braid out, wash and go rod set? And the truth about this style is that it is the same crochet you saw in my last video. It's the same style, but plot twist. All I did was I took the upper root area that was braided straight back. I undid that little top bun and wrapped both braids sideways like this, or all 4 braids. I just kind of like pinned them, and then I just crocheted the second half of my hair. But I've been wearing this style for a few days, and as y'all know, I know you guys are like me, I have a commitment issue when it comes to hair and makeup, so yeah. Today I'm going to be showing you what you guys have asked for, which is a how to remove crochet braids tutorial. Now, this might be a disaster, and why? Because I think on YouTube you guys ask me things like, you know, we are the know-it-alls, and yes, we are given the nickname beauty gurus, but I'm the first to say I am no guru. I've never been a guru, don't know what that is, never felt that, don't experience that. So I'm going to be showing y'all my first attempt at removing crochet braids, and we'll see how this goes. Alright, I'm gonna take these glasses off, y'all. I feel like they're distracting. Okay. So I scooted back a little bit so you guys can see the style a little bit better. I'm gonna do a little spin for the people. One of the reasons I love crochet is because of like how it moves. And for the people who want to see this style, I have a tutorial coming very, very soon, like next week when I change my hair again or whatever, on how to do this style in a much easier way, because I've been learning a lot by doing this process. So to get started, I'm going to take these marble scissors. I got these, well, they're not scissors, they're hair shears. I got these from Sally's Beauty Supply, and they're really cute. So where did I get them from? No, I actually got them from my local extra, you know, Asian run, like black beauty supply stuff. This is such a cute style, y'all. But the only reason, another reason I'm cutting it out is because since I did 2 crochets, like this is an extension of another style, it's not as consistent. Like y'all see this black in the back, that's from the old style. So when I do this again, I'm gonna make it consistent all over my head. But for now, I'm ready for that change. So what we're gonna do, remember, since this is crocheted in, none of this is my real hair. We don't get to my real hair till we get down here. So you're gonna cut as close as possible to your real hair. Make sure you feel around. Boom. And I have a trash bag next to me because I am not sure, you know, I know this is gonna be kind of messy. Wait. This is the strangest feeling. I feel like people, when they do those videos where they big chop, it feels like I'm doing a big chop, but it's none of it's my hair, so it's like kind of satisfying at the same time. Alright. This is one of the methods. There's other methods you can do where you're able to reuse your crochet hair. However, I don't know, I don't have any desire to reuse the hair I use. It's really nice, but I mean, y'all, it's like, alright, this whole style cost me like $30, so honestly, you know, it served its time. It was time well spent. Any sewing that was, you know what I mean, that looked like this, if it was like human hair and stuff, would have cost probably a little close to $1,000 or like a couple hundred, so I'm not even mad. Oh, this looks so funny. I almost thought I wasn't recording, y'all. I was about to cry because I was gonna come on half bald headed and be like, hello. So I'm gonna keep cutting this, and then I'm gonna time lapse it just because y'all got the gist in the front. once you're for the most part, have cut as close to the root as you can, then this is the time where you're gonna start the actual removal. Now, don't get me wrong, you just looked at that process. Now looking at my clock, it literally has been 3 minutes. You know when you tie a knot, if you have a weight on the end of that knot, it's gonna stay in place. Well, yeah, with the crochet hair, once you cut the strands at the bottom really short, the loop has less to, oh wait, that looks so wrong. Please don't demonetize me. But no, that loop has less to like hold it in place, you know what I mean? So honestly, literally just playing around with my hair, loops just come out like this. I'm just gonna go through, and honestly, I don't think this is gonna take long at all. I'm going to look at my time. Okay, right now it's 8:23 p.m. and I'll let y'all know, like this looks crazy. I'll let y'all know what time this is over. Alright guys, so I came back and I totally forgot to tell everybody that this took about 20 minutes. Literally, it was not that bad. Like everybody, the main concern everyone had when I showed the crochet in my last video was how long is it going to take out? And that was a half a crochet. This took me 22 minutes on the dot to take out and go through, detangle for the most part, and all that good stuff. So the half crochet probably around 10 to 15 minutes, and then like of course undoing the braids in the front, but like I did all that too. So your girl about to go get in the shower and do like a kind of natural hair pamper day. I love you guys. Peace out. Gang gang. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.